What's up, everybody?
Yo,
Welcome. I'm Jesse.
We got Jay here.
Arthur.
We're Los Amigos. This is New Food Network. This is Los Amigos Food Network, and we're coming to you with our first review from Jaybirds. Check it out. They got their lemonade and
Lemonade.
And they got their chicken sandwiches. I got the Mac Daddy, mac and cheese.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, Mac Daddy comes with chicken.
Yeah, I got two
and
sides.
mac and cheese inside. Check it out. Check it out. What'd you get?
I got the Mac Daddy as well. Big sexy style. They said it's when they put the little the buffalo sauce on it and the spice fries.
What'd you get?
Yeah, bro. Just a regular chicken sandwich right here. Look at that.
All right,
Got pickles on it.
let's go ahead and give Jaybirds see how it tastes.
What's up, guys?
What's going on, man?
Hey, how you doing?
I'm doing all right, man. How are you?
Yeah, good to see you.
All right.
Whoa,
Fries are banging.
Fries are banging.
oh, you want a little review?
Cool.
From Jaybirds.
Nice.
I think want some Jaybirds.
Oh yeah, ketchup's fresh.
Good stuff.
Oh, that chicken flavor. Yeah. That's good.
Lemonade. Let's check it out.
Tell me from
They make the ketchup in house and the ranch.
And we got their mac and cheese. Check it out. Check it out. Money.
How's your sandwich?
Pretty good.
Yeah, so you got a regular
Solid.
chicken sandwich?
Solid, dude.
What do you think, guys? Out of one sombrero, two sombreros, out of five, what do you think? 3, 4, 5?
I don't know. The fries, I give 4.
4 sombreros.
4 sombreros.
Really?
This is pretty hefty, man. Oh yeah, it's time to get messy.
What do you think? Would you recommend it to other people?
Absolutely, yeah. Definitely, man. Yeah, no cap, dude. For real. Yep.
That gets 5.
It's better than Chick-fil-A.
Are they just located in San Luis Obispo, or are they
They got another location in Long Beach.
Long Beach?
Mm-hmm.
Have you been to that one?
Just this one here.
Who's that?
Cash money.
Yeah, no, this is phenomenal.
I recommend it for everybody. Go check it out. And yeah, welcome. This is Los Amigos.
That's
Food
right.
Network. This is it.
Got the coleslaw in there.
Coleslaw, homemade lemonade, free refills.
Yeah.
I can't get enough of this sandwich.
Yeah, the sandwich is banging.
There it is. $20. Yo, we're back right here with Jaybirds. We got Jay over here. Yeah. What up? What up,
Just
Jesse?
can't have enough. Look at that.
I should have got a little spicier, I'm not gonna lie.
We got this cayenne sauce right here.
Yeah, check
What's
it out.
the word with it, bro?
It's a little spicy, but it's like perfect. What about you? What did you?
They say the bird is the word. We say Jaybirds is the word.
Yeah, Jaybird is the word,
For sure.
especially.
Phenomenal.
You gotta try it, everybody.
Oh, wait. Yep.
You gotta try it.
Yep. That's what's up. Andale.
I
He
recommend
gets 4 out of 5 sombreros.
4.
4. Yep. And maybe even working its way to the 5.
Maybe. We'll see what happens
See what
when we get
happens.
finished.